stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me. Money's coming to me.
And welcome to my gang, Phil's Gang, and our radio show. You know, it's really getting aggravating listening to these people on the fake business news network. I mean, they keep pumping how great the economy is, and they're not telling us the truth. Look, I have no problem with the stock market going up. I have no problem with them pushing it up, financially engineering it up, putting in tremendous stimulation to push it up when it should be going down. That's fine. And my members are doing terrific. We are. Our gold's up 10%. Another goal, we have nuggets up 20%. Our oil's up 14%. I mean, our AT&T's up. Our Intel's up. I mean, all our stocks are up. I mean, we're Netflix up 12%. I have no complaint. Let them keep pushing the stock market up. And as I keep telling my members, we'll stay long as long as the charts indicate money is coming in and they're pushing the stock market up. Let's just do it. I mean, it's like shooting fish in a barrel. I mean, for anyone not to be in this market, you got to be nuts. And we're seeing the people coming in now, retail customers. They've been out of the market for 12 years. They're all jumping in right now, right at the top, which that tells us, too, that that's an indication that the market is ready to collapse. But we don't worry about a collapse in the market because we get a signal in advance. That's right. If you listen to the message of the market, you shouldn't get caught when the market collapses. I always tell you, 85% of the people that are in the stock market always lose money because they don't know when to get out. When they call their broker, what should I do? What should I do? They always convince them to stay in. Why? It's because it's to their benefit. It's to Wall Street's benefit to have you stay in. And when the market starts pulling back and stocks start decelerating, it's to their benefit to talk you into buying more of them, calling it cost averaging down, which if anybody tells you to cost average down, you should call the police because it is that bad. They should be arrested. But again, the fake news, they can push this market higher and higher. The Federal Reserve can keep printing money, pushing it in, destroying the economy, keep pushing stocks up. Hey, I'm glad. I'm delighted. Okay, no problem. We'll make money. But I can guarantee you this. If you're a member of mine, we'll be out before the market crashes. Oh, folks in 401k, not only can't they get out, they don't have an opportunity to make money as the stock market collapses because they're not allowed to make money called shorting. My members, we make money with the same ease going long. We turn around, change our direction with the same ease, make money going down. 401ks, they're not allowed to do that. Can you imagine a product that you only can buy? You can't make money when it's going down. In fact, 401ks are so bad, if the market starts to plunge in the morning, remember when the market started to collapse back here in February, and we had that Monday morning went down 1,000 points. And if you're in a 401k, you couldn't get out. You're not allowed to get out. You got to wait till the end of the day. You could lose all your money by the end of the day. Isn't that ridiculous? And you can't turn around and position yourself to make money as the market's going down. Just crazy. But listen to this. Listen to this. This is just insane. And here we go. Let me give you my cuts here.
The economy is strong. It's getting stronger. That will drive earnings higher than most analysts expect.
Can you imagine that? The economy is getting strong. It's getting stronger. What is he, nuts? How can the economy be getting strong, getting stronger? How could that be? Banks, the lifeblood of our economy, have dropped by 40%. 40%. JP Morgan had a 51% drop in income versus the same quarter last year. Citi even did worse, collapsing 73% year on year. What are you, nuts? While the stock market is rallying 48%. Look, gold is a wonderful thing, and I'm going to talk about gold because gold can help you out to understand which way the market's going to go. Everybody keeps asking, what should I do? What should I do? Well, if you look at gold and understand what gold is telling you, the message is telling you, then you'll always be on the right side of the transaction. So let me explain. And by the way, this will be on my YouTube site tonight. Okay, I'll post it on my YouTube site. Just go to the Phil's Gang YouTube site and it'll be posted. Okay, and make sure you please hit subscribe. Okay, and like. All right. So, and right now, if you have a mobile device, just go to my site philsgang.com and you can click on and you can see what I'm doing right here on my chart. If you go back and you take a look at when the market pulled back. In September 25th, we had that, if you remember, we had that big drop. That was in 2018, and it went down 20%. So it was around September 28th, and it stopped around December 26th, a 20% drop. But gold was going up, and gold was going up before that started to drop. Remember, gold was rising before the stock market of September 28th started to fail. So when gold was going up, it was telling you that the big institutions, the biggest banks, the biggest insurance companies, Wall Street, the biggest hedge funds, had no confidence in the stock market. And when they don't have confidence in the market, they have inside information, especially the banks. You got to make sure that you're not sitting in stocks. You got to position yourself not only to get out of the stock, but to turn around and position yourself so when the market's going down, you're making money. And we make that easy for you because our charts do that. It'll tell you exactly, okay, by a color code, when to get in, when to get out. But let's take that again. So gold was going up before that market collapsed. See, gold is an indicator. It's gold. It shows emotion of the big investors, the smart investor, that they call the smart money. So if you see gold going up, okay, and your market's going up, beware. You know that they're telling you in advance the market's going to collapse. They're going to tell you the market's going to collapse. And it did. Now, take the rally when the market dropped in February. In February, remember in 2020 when the virus hit and the market started to go down, it was starting to collapse, gold was a great indicator. Gold was going down with the market, just the opposite. Gold was going down with the market. Now, what does that mean? Well, that means the big institutions are saying, look, they're going to turn around and push the stock market up by adding so much stimulus, by printing so much money, doing all these stimulus programs, that the market is going to, so get ready, short it now, when the market's going down, but get ready to make sure you go long, make sure you start buying stocks. And if you look on my chart, gold was going down with the market because the institutions have inside information. They knew the Trump administration was going to come in with all kinds of stimulus programs. What is that, PPP program and all the other programs, and they're going to pay people to stay home, and they'll get more money at home than if they came back to work. And so they knew. So gold told you on the way down, wait a minute, this market's going to start rallying again. And guess what? It did. It had a beautiful rally. The market went up about 40%, 42%. And right now, guess what? As the market's going up, gold is going up. What does that mean? Well, that is telling you there's another problem coming. There's going to be another crash. I'll explain when I get back here at Phil's Gang. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Free for 10 days.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow, but we are right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative. He's just a grumpy old man. And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. Every day, we tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded chart. See you on the charts.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
When the markets open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
The economy is strong. It's getting stronger.
Economy strong and getting stronger. What are you, nuts? That doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. What a contradiction. How can they tell us, the fake Business News Network, tell us the economy is improving, it's getting strong, getting stronger, when jobless claims are increasing at a rate of 1.3 million every week for the past 15 weeks? What are you, nuts? That makes no sense. The economy is getting stronger, but jobless claims for 15 straight weeks, every week, it has yet stopped. Claims are coming in, record number, and it took 10 years to increase 22 million jobs. 10 years. In 2 months, we lost a total of 32 million jobs. And now we're losing 1.3 million every week. And it hasn't let up for the last 15 weeks. What are you got to be nuts to lie like that. When banks, and think about this, how can he say that when banks have the largest year-over-year earnings decline of 48%, and the banks lead our economy? Without the banks, we don't have an economy. The banks are the lifeblood of our economy, and they're collapsing. We haven't seen a quarter this bad since 2008, the fourth quarter of 2008. Again, think of profits. Everybody gets confused, earnings, profits. Just think of it as profits are declining by 48%. Bad loans set aside. They set aside. They boosted it up to a historic $23 trillion. The banks never increased set aside for bad loans at $23 trillion. What, are you nuts to tell me the economy's getting better? What in the hell are the banks seeing in their loan portfolios that we cannot see and they will not tell us about? Obviously, they're expecting massive loan losses. Oh, but the economy is getting better. It's getting stronger. Gold, again, is one of your best ways to take a look at the market, to get the sentiment of the market. Give you another example. As I said to you, if you go back to the big crash we had, the 40% crash starting in February 2020 to the end of March, where the market went straight down about 42% and gold went down, then you have to know that a rally is coming. A rally is coming. And it made sense because I had my members in gold. I knew gold was going to go up. I knew the market was going to go up. And first of all, gold, the market turned and went up. Gold was going down. That was giving us an indication that all the stimulus that the administration was putting in, all the different programs, the PP program, the QQ program, the ZZ program, the DD program, all those programs, trillions and trillions down there pumping in, letting people stay home so they can make more money at home. Now, then it worked. So gold was going down, telling us, look, we better, this is not good. This is not good. So then the market hits the March low and gold starts going up as the market's going up. So I got my gang members going long because I'm saying, look, let's go long. They're putting all the stimulus in. It's like shooting ducks in a barrel. And let's go long. Let's make money on the way up. But what do we know? We know we got to be careful because we know the market is going to collapse. So the market's on its way up now with gold going up, which indicates to me and my gang members to be ready that the market is going to collapse again. And here's a good reason why. Remember, July is here. We're in July. You know how many people are going to lose their benefits in July? All the unemployment that people are staying home. They're making more money at home than working. Those are all gone in July. Those are gone. That's going to be a big hit. That's why gold is going up. So even though the stock market is going up, gold's going up. That's a huge indicator saying the market's going to collapse again. Have you got a call from your broker or an email? The people handling your 401k, have they told you that? If they said to you, look, we got to be prepared with our 401k here. We got to make some changes. Gold, because we got a problem. Gold's going up, while at the same time the market's going up. That's telling us the market's going to collapse because the big institutions, they're all moving to gold. So they know this market's going to stop. So let's ride this market as long as we can, and then when it's ready to turn, we'll position you to make money on the way down. No, you didn't get a call. I'll guarantee you nobody got a call. My members get emails all the time. They'll know exactly when to take their profits, which they all gain beautiful profits on the way up since around March 12th. We started to buy stocks right up to today, but gold's going up too, so we know this is not going to last long, and our chart will turn red. Yes, our color-coded chart, as soon as the institutions pull their money out, and I'm the only one I know in the world that has this kind of a chart, it will indicate early on you better start taking your positions off, put money in your pocket, get ready to position yourself to make money on the way down. It always works. And even, like I said, even if you go back and look at the last collapse in February to the end of March, the big one where all the virus hit us and all the crazy stuff, gold was going down, indicating there'd be a big rally coming because of all the stimulus. So knowing that when the market was collapsing and gold was collapsing, you knew a rally was coming. So I don't know if anyone takes care of you like that, but that's a good reason to join the gang, don't you think? You know, I always tell you, I don't want you to join the gang when I sit here and I tell you, we're up 14% in AU, we're up 10% in GDX, we're up 17% in Dust, 20% in Nugget, we're up 12% in Apple, Netflix, we're up 12%. That's not the reason to join the gang, because we're up. When the market goes up like this, any dope can make money, because when they put stimulus in market and they print money and stuff it into the market and they get banks buying stocks and institutions buying stocks by giving them money, any dope can get in and the stock goes up. It's anybody can make money on the way up. The key is when you get out. That's where I come in. That's where Phil's gang comes in. That's where my team comes in. We'll make sure you're out. Every day at 2 o'clock, we post a video. Every day at 2 o'clock, we post a video. Steve will post it. He's head of our education department, and he tells you exactly what to do with your stock. Do you get that with your 401k? I don't think so. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Great.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Hi, I'm Phil Graney, philsgang.com. Remember to subscribe to my Phil's Gang YouTube channel to get both my live and archived radio shows. Also, my free Phil's Take on the stock market. Also, sign up and get a free 10-day chart and membership trial. And remember, go to my YouTube channel where you can hear the radio show live or archived. And also, when you go to my YouTube channel, I have there for you tonight the explanation of gold, how gold works with the stock market, how you can use it as an indicator that identifies, gives you a warning sign. Should I get out of the market or should I be in the market? It's a wonderful indicator, and I explain how to use it. It's free. Go to my site. Or you can join the gang for 10 days. It's free, and you get the color-coded chart. Remember, every day at 2 p.m., Steve, who's the head of our educational department, he sits with his team before 2 o'clock. He identifies what each stock in our portfolio should be doing, called the Working Investor Portfolio. Each stock he goes over on a video. That's right. At 2 o'clock, he posts those videos. So if you're one of my, and that includes my 5 stocks. And the best thing to do until you decide to build your own portfolio, just follow our Working Investor Portfolio. Do exactly what you're told to do. I'll give you an example. today at 2 o'clock, he posted what to do as a working investor with semiconductors.
SMH, we're still long with a stop at 154.75. We took some profits back on Monday, and I believe...
And then he goes on and on, explains about the stock. Does anybody do that for you every day? Do you get from your 401k provider a video every day of your stocks telling you exactly what should be done? Or if you have a money manager or stockbroker, do they each day give you a video? You just go to the site and they'll tell you exactly what to do with each one of your stocks? Of course not. Well, that's what we offer. And by the way, if you're brand new, a beginner, and you want to learn how to invest in the market without all the crap, I mean, you really want to learn how to make money, there is no better place to come than Phil's Gang. Our trading academy is the best in the country for brand new people who are beginners and you want to learn how to trade. There's all kinds of different trading. You can be a long-term trader, very long-term. That's where we use our color-coded chart. Or you can be a short-term trader. You can even be a day trader. You got to make a decision what you want to be. But our academy, our trading team, you don't get anything better. Believe me, I know. Been on this earth for 74 years, been in this business for over 45 years, and I can tell you, if you're brand new and you want to learn how to invest in stocks and you're a beginner, there's no better place than here at Phil's Gang. Believe me. Okay, let's get back to what is going on. The banks are in serious trouble. They put aside $23 trillion. That's historic. They never put aside $23 trillion for bad loans. Yet we're being told that the economy is getting stronger. How could that be? That's quite a contradiction. The banks can take a look at their loans. They look at their portfolio. You mean they're not seeing massive loan losses coming? Gold's going up for a reason. The stock market's going up right now because they're making it go up. They're forcing it to go up. And hey, make money as it's going out. You just got to know when to get out. I have the perfect chart to tell you that. And by the way, you can use it for 10 days free and a membership. But think about it. They're lying to us. Because if they weren't lying, I mean, if the banks thought the economy was doing good, would they be putting and bumping up their historic amount of set aside? Come on. See, remember about banks. Banks are needed to lead, to sustain any rally. It's banks, not Google, not the Amazon, not Netflix, not Facebook. When those are leading, you got a problem. See, banks are needed to lead the rally, to sustain it. If banks aren't leading, you're being assured the message from the market, 100% you're going to be facing another crash. You just got to know when. I mean, don't lose out on the opportunity when this administration is putting in $600 million every day to buy the bad loans from the corporations so they don't go bankrupt. He's putting in another $700 billion a month, giving it to the banks to go out and buy stocks to keep the stock market afloat. $45 billion they're putting in every day since 2018. What are you, nuts? And to prop the banks up, over $200 billion every day to keep the banks propped up. So they're pushing the market up. That's fine. We'll make money. But you got to know when to get out. Here, let me give you an example. I couldn't believe this. Kramer, he comes on today. Listen to this.
I'm wondering how you feel about the Beyond Meat stock for a first-time buyer.
You know, I think that for a first-time buyer, I really just care mostly about the franchise. I think the franchise is good. I think that they every day they seem to announce a new market. They had good stores yesterday the other day in China. Today they announced Brazil. I like Beyond Meat.
I like Beyond. Yeah, stay in. Yeah, Beyond. I like the franchise. I like the franchise in China. China. Yeah, China. I stay go franchises. All right, Jim, I got that. That's clear. That's really good. Kramer got it. I just wish you could come to my site and see. You can. You can if you have a mobile device. I'd just love to show you this right now. Go to my site, philsgang.com, and look what I'm showing you. Here's the stock he's talking about. My members who are in this stock, see when it turned green? On April 2020, The stock went up 140% before it turned red. Now it's turned red. Money is pouring out of the stocks. Institutions, the biggest banks, the biggest hedge funds, biggest insurance companies, biggest Wall Street traders, all taking their money out of this stock. Oh, but he cares about the franchise. Unbelievable, isn't it? And matter of fact, we're going to follow this stock. If it takes out the low of June 29th of $125, we're going to short it. We're going to short it. As a matter of fact, right now, I'm going to alert my members to sell short the stock he's saying to buy, BYND. So we're going to do a scout, and if it breaks below, I'll give you a number right now. If it breaks below 120, sell short. So we're going to send out an alert to my members. Okay? It just makes you sick. Banks are the leaders. Now remember, the banks are needed to keep this rally sustained. And people don't understand. The banks are the financial life of companies. The importance of banks just can't be understated enough. Banks, they are the lifeblood of the economy. But yet, fake Business News Network continue to lie to us as they did with Obamacare. Obama admitted, him and his architect, that they lied to us about how great Obamacare, they could get away with it because they thought Main Street was stupid. That's exactly what they're doing now. They're applying the same logic. They think we're stupid, so they're telling us that the stock market is, the economy is the stock market. The economy is the stock market. Think about it. I play this all the time. When you hear this, our economy is booming. Our economy is booming, right? Paint.
Our economy is surging.
Our economy is surging, even now.
The stock market is indicating things will get better, and more economic data corroborates that message.
Stock market's not the economy.
The economy is strong.
No, what they're showing you is the stock market. The economy is weak. The economy is horrible. The economy is corporate earnings. The economy is GDP growth. You combine those, and they are dropping. The second quarter dropped 35%, the worst ever. So when they tell you the economy is getting better, remember, the economy is declining. They're lying to you. It's unbelievable. They'd say the economy had the second best quarter in a decade. What are you, nuts? It's insane. More when I get back. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Free for 10 days.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow, but we are right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative, he's just a grumpy old man? And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. every day. We tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded charts. See you on the charts.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about
With
it.
the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
The economy is strong. It's getting stronger.
The stock market is indicating things will get better.
The markets are telling us that things look good.
Okay, they're all saying everything's looking good. Well, then answer this question. Then why is gold going up? Gold's never wrong. When the market dropped in February 2020, went down 42%, gold was going down, telling us the next move in the market was going to be up. And guess what happened? The market moved up. Gold was absolutely right. Absolutely right. And now we got gold going up as the market's going up, indicating what? Remember, the market looks forward. Gold is going up, indicating the next move is the market's going down. Just like when gold went down, when the market went down again from February to March, went down 43%, gold identified for us that the next leg of this market would be go up, and it went up 42%, and we made a lot of good money, a lot of percentage. Here we are, 20%. I'm not going to give you all the percentages. Now gold is going up again while the market's going up, telling us the next leg is down. Look, they always are using the stock market. They're being dishonest. They're saying the market, the stock market, things are looking good. The stock market doesn't tell you if things are looking good or not. It's the economy that tells you if things are looking good. Remember, stocks are important because stocks, remember, what's the purpose of stocks? What's the purpose? To help fund companies. That's the purpose of stocks. The stock market's not the economy. It doesn't indicate how the economy's doing. It's an important part of the economy. Trading stocks of public companies is how companies raise capital. The stock market doesn't tell you how the economy's doing. What tells you how the economy is doing is earnings of these companies, is economic GDP growth, And guess what? They've gone down, and they're still going down 35% while the stock market's going up. Oh, but they don't want to explain that to you. Oh, no. They don't want to tell you that. No, because they don't want you to catch on, just like they didn't want you to catch on with Obamacare. Same thing, right? The stock market is not the economy. It's an important part of the economy, no question. Trading stocks of public companies when you're buying and selling is how companies raise capital, cash, to pay their debt. But more important, to do business investment. When people buy stocks of a company, that's how a company gets cash to pay their debt. That's how they do business investment, new machinery, new equipment. When you buy stock, you're helping them buy new equipment, new machinery to produce more. And then wages go up. Wages go up. Then what happens when wages go up? Spending goes up. Spending contributes 72% of our economic GDP growth. Not the stock market. The economy is not the stock market. But they sit there and lie to you. And that's why you get caught all the time going, every time I get in the market goes down. Like now, the market's going up. I tell you, I'm promising you, we've never seen so many retail customers start coming back into the stock market like we're seeing now. They're all getting in right at the exact wrong time. After the market has rallied 42%. 42%. Unbelievable. In fact, if you go back and look at this, and by the way, you can see this. I'm going to have this gold, and what I'm talking about is not going to be on my YouTube channel tonight. It's going to be free. We're going to post it on our YouTube channel. So just subscribe. Please hit subscribe button and like. But it's going to be on our YouTube channel. Just go to my Phil's Gang YouTube channel, and you can get where it says also right there, say my take. Okay, and I'm going to explain. Look, if you go back and take a look, go to December 26, 2018. From that right up to right before the February crash, February 14th, you know gold was going up with the market. Gold was going straight up with the market, telling you what? The next leg of the market was going to go down, and it went down. Look on my chart. It went down. Now, I'm going to have this in my YouTube channel. It's free. I want everybody to see this. And then it was correct. When the market was going up, gold was going up, telling you, hey, watch out. This isn't going to last long. And the market goes down. And like now, market's going up and gold's going up, saying what? Hey, this rally's not going to last. The next leg is down. The combination of gold and are unique, and it's unique. I don't know anybody else has a chart like mine. A color-coded chart tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. And best, when to turn your position around and make money as it goes down. Look, banks, think about it. They're so important. First, the stocks are important because when you trade stocks, as I say, that's how business investment comes about. That's how companies raise money. They pay their debt. They buy new machinery, increase productivity. You get a raise. Standard of living goes up. Everything works. Banks, on the other hand, okay, banks are different from the stocks. Banks, on the other hand, are financial life of these companies. Banks are the financial life of these companies. And the importance of banks, as I keep telling you, can't be understated, as they are the lifeblood to the economy. So banks are the lifeblood to the economy, right? But the banks are collapsing. The banks are collapsing. They're not making money. Look, banks don't themselves create wealth. They don't. Banks never create wealth. But they are essential for wealth creation. They're the ones who are the lifeblood to the companies when they need money. But right now, when banks are collapsing and banks' earnings are down 43%, and look on a chart where a bank is compared to the stock market. Banks are diving while the stock market's going up. It just gets me so upset. How can they say the economy's getting better when we just got the numbers for our imports, the highest in 8 years? And what does imports mean? When we keep increasing, we import more than we export. It kills your jobs. When we import, we're giving jobs to one Hung Lo and his family in China. Every time we buy something from China, we're giving one Hung Lo and his family a job. And we're telling somebody here in the United States, sorry, we got to lay you off, or sorry, you got to go part-time. When we have the highest imports in 8 years, how can they tell you the economy is getting better? How can they tell you without lying? When banks are collapsing, how can they tell you the economy is getting better? Because, see, they know you're going to look at the stock market. And as long as they stimulate the stock market artificially, keep printing money, shove it in there, and the stock market goes up, they've got you trained and everybody trained to think, hey, the economy's doing good. Look at the stock market. And then you wonder why every time I get in the market goes down. Every time I get out, it goes up. Bank leadership is so important, but you can't get that across to people. You just can't. So look, go to my YouTube site tonight. And by the way, you can listen to my live radio show on my YouTube channel. And you can go to my YouTube channel where I'll put features up like tonight, how gold works with the stock market, what the banks are doing. I'll put all that up there for you tonight. It's all free. And all I want you to do in return, join the gang for 10 days. It's free. You get the chart, you get the membership. And then when you decide to stay and you start making money, please help St. Jude. That's what it's all about. Just help St. Jude. It's a win for everybody. So I'm reaching out to, I'm going to help you. You just turn around and help them. Listen to this, by the way. Listen, this is another thing that's unbelievable.
You know what's interesting here, William, is that, the stock market, which, by the way, is not the economy, we acknowledge.
Oh, someone's copying me. Oh, let's sue them. Be in court for 30 years.
You know what's interesting here, William, is that, the stock market, which, by the way, is not the economy.
He'll never get on CNBC again or Fox.
You know what's interesting here, William, is that, the stock market, which, by the way, is not the economy, we acknowledge that, but the stock market has soared at or near record highs in many indexes, but 10-year bond yields are lows.
Yeah, so why's that? and ask why gold's going up. Because it's fake. The reason why bond yields are going down because people are fearful. They don't care about the market going up. They know it's not going to last, so they're buying bonds for safety. The reason gold's going up, because it's indicating that the big boys know the market's going to go back down. Join my gang, free, for 10 days with a free membership in the color-coded chart. See you on the charts.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to